Thank you, sir.
Welcome. In fact, I have recorded of this lecture from previous batch, so I thought I will send that. But with this recording, you will get exactly the same. When I2 becomes 2i, then the same metal having double the area. A2 is double of A1. Then the drift velocity will become how much? New drift velocity. If it is same metal, then electron density remains same. I is V na. So I1 upon I2 will be equals to V1 upon V2, A1 upon A2. I1 is I2 is 2I, V1 is V2 V1. A1 upon A2 is 2 times A1. A1 cancel, I cancel, both side 2 also cancel. So V2 equals to V. Same drift velocity. V2 equals to V, options. Once you complete, please tell her because you have to be quick.
Done, sir.
Done? Everybody is done? Yes, everybody is done?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Second, when current flows through a conductor, drift velocity. What is order of drift velocity? 10 raised to minus 4 we have written in theory. That means 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter per second. 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter, option B. When wire is stretched, length is increased. 0.1% length is increased. So percentage increase in length is 0.1 when wire is stretched. When wire is stretched, then R is proportional to L square. Percentage increase in R is 2 times percentage increase in length. 2 into 0.1 equals to 0.2%. Power becomes multiplied. 0.2%, option. Completed? Third also?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fourth one. Current is zero point 0.5 ampere. It is flowing through lamp whose power is 60 watt. Then total charge passing through it. Total charge passing through it in time 2 hours. Charge is upon time is current. So Q is IT, I is 0.5, T is 2 hours, 2 into 3600, that is 3600 coulomb. Option D, 3600 coulomb.
Done, sir.
Fifth, equivalent resistance of two wires in parallel is 6 upon 5 if resistance of one of the wire is 2. Okay. So like if R1 is 2, what is resistance of other wire? Two resistance in parallel, then we know product upon sum is their equivalent. One resistance is 2, second we want. Orally, can you tell what will be R2 without doing much hard work? Yes.
Sir, is it 3?
3, na clear cut. 2 into 3, 6, 2 plus 3, 5. So directly you can say R2 is 3 ohm. Look at 6. Ohm's law deals with relation between current and potential difference. 7. Dimension of resistance. Resistance, we all know it is V upon I. V is work done upon charge into I. So work is force into displacement. Charge is IT into I. Now we can manage. M1, L1, E minus 2. Distance is L1. This is A2, T1. M1, L2, E minus 3, A minus 2. Let us check. M1, L2, T minus 3, A minus 2. Option. All the three, okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do it now. Completed? 5, 6, 7?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
6. Eighth one. A battery of 6 volt is connected across the combination of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm. Then current is in what ratio? They are connected in parallel. In parallel, voltage is constant or variable? Yes. In parallel, what about voltage?
The voltage varies in parallel resistance.
No, no.
No, no, no.
Voltage is constant in parallel.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Series.
So in parallel, V is constant. So I can say I1 R1 will be I2 R2 will be I3 R3, no?
Yes.
Because voltage is IR. So whenever you see product is same, then find LCM of given ratio. Given ratio is R1, R2, R3 here. That is here LCM of 235 will be 30, correct?
Yes, sir.
So other ratio should be such that product should become 30. 2 into what will make it 30?
15,
15. 3 into what will make it 30?
10,
5 into what will make it 30?
6.
6. So our ratio is 15 is to 10 is to 6. This is the answer. 15 is to 10 is to 6 options. So whenever product comes same, always remember one ratio given, find its LCM, then second will be such that product is LCM.
Run, sir.
The VI graph of specimen is as shown. This is VI graph as shown. See, slope of VI graph is resistance. Slope of VI graph is resistance. So they are telling what is resistance at ABC. Matlab indirectly I have to find what is slope at ABC. Because it is not straight line, then slope will be different at different point. That is found by drawing tangent at that point. Draw one tangent, second tangent, and this third tangent. Theta A, theta at B, theta at C. What is the relation? A is greater or B is greater or C is greater? Clear cut, you can see theta at A is greater than theta at B is greater than theta at C. Correct? Hello?
Yes.
So that means tan theta at A is greater than tan theta at B is greater than tan theta at C. I've just put tan everywhere. Tan means slope, and slope here is resistance. Yes, is it okay now? RA greater than RB greater than RC.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So whenever VI graph is given and they want resistance, you have to find slope.
Done, sir.
10th one. Resistance of wire is 10. Its length is increased by 10%. That means original length plus 10% more. So it is 110 upon 100 of original. Then new resistance will be how much? So we know when wire is stretched, R1 upon R2, I can write L1 by L2 square, because this is more than 5%, then this formula. Less than 5, then proportional to L square wala. So 10 upon R2 is L1 upon 11 upon 10 the whole L1 the whole square. 10 upon R2, 10 goes up, 10 square is 100 upon 121. Therefore R2 is 121 upon 10, 12.1 ohm, which is A. Right.
Done, sir.
Okay. So first 10 sums as per our commitment we have completed. Now I will start with theory. See, Monday I told whatever taught practice 2 times and 41 to 50 MCQ. Tuesday 41, 51 to 70 and 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 I completed. Now 41 to 70, you might be having doubt.
Yes, sir.
For that doubt solving, can we sit today? Evening?
Sir, evening at what time?
Evening at 9?
Sir, can you do it tomorrow, like after 6?
Tomorrow at 9?
Okay, tomorrow at 9 will do.
9 or even 8 will do for me.
Okay,
No,
sir.
then
8 then.
sorry, 8 को lecture 8. 9 o'clock. Tomorrow 9 o'clock, Thursday. Okay for doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
9 is okay, na? Uh, this is second sheet which we are doing. Ashley and Akansha, you may not sit, huh?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
9 to 10. So 9 to 10 में I will complete your till Tuesday का. आज Wednesday है. Wednesday में 71, 90 also you have to do. Okay, let us see कितना होता है वो करेंगे, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And then Saturday also will take extra doubt solving session. It will take time. Now theory I am doing for you. Last class we did till what is factors on which resistance depends and specific resistance. Correct? And
Yes,
then in note also we wrote formula. R is M L upon n square tau AE. Are you able to remember that? एक बार इधर बाजू में समझा देता हूँ फिर से दैट नोट इन टर्म्स ऑफ molecular electron density. What is I? Veena?
Yes.
I is drift velocity into E into Na. This is nothing but drift velocity is EE upon M into ENA, correct na?
Yes.
Into tau. AT वाला formula लिखा. V is AT. Now I is E into E is voltage upon length. This E into E is E square N A tau upon M. Now V upon I will become ml upon N A E square tau. So R is ml upon N A E square tau. Please remember this formula in MCQ. It is important. This much we had done in last class. Okay. एक बार फिर से लिखो याद हो जाएगा आपको concept how I am getting resistance. Then I am starting further. Complete till this.
Sir, we also did conductivity.
Conductivity.
हाँ, okay, that was one line. Resistivity का reciprocal is called conductivity.
Yes, sir.
Just you write till this, then I will start with temperature dependence of resistance. Done, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see further. Vectors. Oh, not vectors, sorry. Temperature dependence of resistance. Temperature dependence of resistance. Temperature dependence of resistance. Let R0, comma RT be the resistance of conductor at 0 degrees Celsius and T degrees Celsius respectively. R0, RT are the resistance at 0 degree and T degree Celsius respectively. Experimentally, it is found that increase in resistance, experimentally it is found that increase in resistance RT, comma R0 is directly proportional to first one, original resistance at 0 degrees Celsius, that is R0. Second, rise in temperature, which you can write delta T. Therefore, increase in resistance RT minus R0 is directly proportional to R0 delta. Please copy this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. So we got idea, resistance increases with temperature, depends upon original and rise in temperature. So from this we can say,
Sir, just a second.
just a second, okay. 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Okay. That means RT minus R0 is some constant that is denoted by alpha R0 delta T, where alpha is a constant called as temperature coefficient of resistance, called as temperature coefficient of resistance. So we can say therefore alpha equals to RT minus R0 upon R0 delta T, or the same thing can be written as 1 upon R0 change in resistance per unit temperature. So rate of change of resistance with respect to temperature. One second. 1 upon R0 dr upon T. So if they ask define temperature coefficient of resistance, see how to define. Thus, yes, hello. So, thus temperature coefficient of resistance is defined as the change in resistance per unit original resistance at 0 degrees Celsius, comma, per degree rise in temperature. Please copy this much again. Return?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ashley, return?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Its SI unit is per degree Celsius or Kelvin raised to minus 1. Right, this much. This also wrote.
Yes, sir.
So from
Yes, sir.
this we can analyze like this. Therefore, RT equals to R0 plus R0 alpha delta t. So RT will become R0 1 plus alpha delta t. This is temperature dependence of resistance. That means at higher temperature it is R0 1 plus alpha delta t. Copy. Written this also? Can I clear now everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Color code for resistors. Means we can find value of carbon resistor by color code method. Parvati, in your class, which chapter is going on?
Sir, they finished capacitors today.
No, current is already over.
Yeah,
Current over and
it's already
capacitor.
over. Color coded. Current electrostatic
Current
being
electrostatic
approved.
and
And this capacitors.
no capacitor. So it comes in electrostatic. Color.
लेकिन वो
Hello.
क्या
Hello.
sir?
What you were saying?
मॉड्यूल में उनका उसमें चैप्टर्स बनाए तो
Your
वो
voice.
तीनों हो गए.
Oh, ठीक है. Color code of for resistor. The value of Wheatstone's bridge, potentiometer, this all over.
Yeah sir.
So value of carbon resistor can be found by color code method. In this method, 4 color bands are marked on resistor. First 2 color bands represents significant digit. Significant digits. The third band represents multiplier of integral power of 10, and fourth band represents tolerance. So how we can apply this or band ka concept I am explaining now after telling you the different color corresponds to which color, which code. So first write meaning. There will be 4. First 2 is significant digit. Third will be multiplier. Fourth will be the tolerance. Then with that color coding, I will give 2 examples. Right. Full. चैंपियन का यार कितनी बार वही हाँ तो बस वही है ना हाँ कितना है उसमें 250 पर क्वेश्चन है वही तो आपको कितना बोला मैंने 1 से 200 ना वो हाँ वही ये होने के बाद ना मेरा लेक्चर खत्म होने का 3 पेपर और करेक्ट कर देना है अभी तो होएगा 15 मिनट का मैं आपको 4 बजे करता हूँ ना कॉल तब तक आपका हो जाएगा
Done, sir.
Okay. Now I'm drawing table for different color code. Everybody has written, na? Yes, you all have written.
Yes, sir.
The table for color code is as shown below. Color code multiplier of 10 raised to n tolerance. P ओके चलो पहले टेबल बनाओ इसका ब्लैक ब्राउन रेड ऑरेंज येलो ग्रीन ब्लू violet gray white then gold silver no color black is code 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 This is 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 9. Gold is for tolerance of plus or minus 5%, silver 10%, no color 20%. 10 plus minus 10%, no color plus minus 20%. Complete this, then we'll see the meaning. Peter?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, example, we'll see how to identify this. Can I clear this everything? Akansha, had you copied full?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just write one note first. How to remember that sequence? P. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. From this it is B, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. Now this is synonymous for that. Now we'll see example. There are 4 colors. First, second, third, fourth. If first, second, third, fourth bands are red, black, orange, and gold, find value of resistor. Answer of this. Red, color bands are red. Now red, black, orange, and gold. Red means which number for red?
Third,
Pardon?
2,
2. And black?
0,
0.
No. Orange?
3,
3.
3. So therefore value of register equals to, first two are significant digit, ऐसे ही लिखना है. 10 raised to 3 is the third one, which is multiplier. 10 raised to 3 plus or minus 5% ohms. This is value of register. Whose 5% is का, but you can leave plus or minus 5%. Followed now color coding.
Yes, sir.
Please complete till end.
Done, sir.
So everything followed till this.
Yes, sir.
Today we start